Welcome back to kiarabharris. I hope everybody's having a blessed day today. So as you guys can see, I am installing my braids and I pretty much have majority of my hair done. I just have this little piece in the front to do. As you guys seen in my last video of me prepping my hair, I like to put my hair in 4 sections, and this is the last section that I have left. And before I kind of show you guys how I install my braids, my hair is dry. I don't use any product while installing my braids, because like if you was to use some jam, edge control, or anything like that, you know, that dirt that starts to build up around your braids, that could get stuck in your lock. So I do not apply anything while installing my braids. My hair is moisturized from yesterday. After I get done installing, I will put some mousse on my hair to kind of lay the frizziness down, put some tea tree oil on my scalp, and wrap it with my black strip. I'll show you guys that at the end. But I did want to kind of show you guys how I install my braids. I do have an older video on my channel showing me installing my braids, but I kind of want to show you guys again. And then we're just gonna kind of speed up this video, and then I come back and show you guys the end result. But I'm gonna kind of talk through this step a little bit before we speed it up. So first, let me put this back in a ponytail so it can be out the way. Y'all, I love braids, but I hate braiding hair. It's so messy. Okay, so put that so it can be out the way. This is the lock that I am going to be working with right here. And what I like to do with the lock is I like to go ahead and twist it at the root. So it's almost kind of like a retwist, but it's not. And it is a very soft twist. So the locks can kind of keep its form while it's in the braids. And then I'm just gonna put that right there. Then I like to divide my hair into 2 because it's just easier to grab the lock when it's divided into 2. So about this much hair, and I'm just gonna take this, divide it into 2, and create a loop like that. Did you guys just see what I did? So I took it and created a loop like this. And that gives you 2 strands to work with, and then you're gonna just use your lock as the 3rd strand. So, let's see. I can get close. Okay, so I'm just gonna twist this a little bit, not too tight, because you don't want to cause any unnecessary tension. And then you're gonna take the part where you loop, that part, take it and just wrap it around the braid and start braiding. So once you get close to the end where your lock in, you want to take it, divide up your braiding hair into 3 strands. And you're going to just put the end of this lock with this strand that's in the middle, and then braid that in. That way you can have your lock nice and tucked at the end, and you don't have it kind of poking out at the end. It kind of blends with the entire braid. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed up this video because these braids are long and I like to braid all the way down to the very end until I can't braid no more. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed up this video, finish the rest of my hair, and come back and show you guys.
I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. Me, it's only you. I wanna be down.